Yeah. Here we go. Hey. Go Arbs. Let me tell you about my relationship with chocolate. Ever since I was a little kid, my family has always had a huge emphasis on chocolate and its consumption. Look at this chocolate bar. It's always been an exotic food to be treasured and admired. Its flavor, rich and exuberant, but so tasty and easy to go down the hatch. Truly, one of the gravest marvels of human ingenuity. Today I enjoyed Hershey's milk chocolate. Not the greatest chocolate of all time, but still chocolate. Now, let's make one last shot with this chocolate flowing through my veins. I think I'm gonna need some water as well. Water bottle, Riften Equipment. They make trikes and pacers for disabled people. I worked in their factory for about a year. It was a lot of fun. High quality. Best in the market. All right, here we go. What can I say? I'm the best at basketball ever. Nobody's ever been better than me. Hook shot. Oh. Fuck, it missed. I missed it. Behind the back. Oh, fuck. I suck ass. Damn it. Let's go. All right. Let's get this ball down. Put it back in the ball house. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. That was some damn good chocolate. Was it though? Goddamn.